Okay, so let's wait for the other two and we'll start here, okay? Hi! Ilan po sila?
Alisan sila.
Ay, ano po ang allegiance niyo po?
Travel goals.
Travel goals. Sige po, travel sir, ma'am. Just coming. Okay, so I guess everybody's here. To everyone, welcome to Butterfly Ecological Garden and Tribal Village, and also good morning to all of you. So here you will visit two parts. So before that, let me first introduce to you the pride of Palawan called Palawan Peacock Pheasant. They are endemic, or it can only be found here in Palawan. And they are native kinds of peacock, which means that's their fully grown or adult size. The blue one there, that's the male we call peacock, and the brown one here is the female called peahen. So because of the beauty of the male, it became our official seal since 1970. Okay, so to everyone, you can now go inside the garden. First part of the tour, for a welcome picture, just go left side first.
Welcome picture, left side first.
You're just one family po or different? It is okay if you take picture family by family po? Okay, your family first.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
paskis
can
na po,
you
ma'am.
move a little bit po?
Paskis na po.
Can you move a little? Okay, can you do like this? So they, like this sir. They will put butterflies in your palm po.
1, 2, 3, play po. One more. Sina po.
Ma'am, can you stand by? Can you stand by here? Sige, te. Left side po, welcome picture. Just two lang din po. Okay, ganito po kayo ng palad niyo, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, net po.
Yeah, what's it about?
Next po.
That's where they come
Ma'am,
from,
sige
you
po.
know.
Ma'am, ganito po kayo ng palad niyo.
1, 2, 3, net po. Isa pa po. Net po. Dito, ma'am, net po.
Ay, papakit mo, papakit mo.
Ma'am, paskis na po. Dito, dikit na lang kay ma'am, sa kita po. Opo. Tapos tingin lang tayo sa pala dito. 1, 2, 3, net po. Isa pa po. Sila po.
Next po.
Tingin lang po, ma'am, dalawang pala dito. 1, 2, 3, net po. Isa pa po.
You got my phone. Did I give it
Okay
to you?
na, do you want to take picture there po sa tita? You can take your time taking picture po. Then we will start our tour in this side. Okay, if you don't want, sorry, if you don't want to take picture, let's go here po.
Another group po dito sa
Again, here naman po is a baboy mo. So here in Palawan po, we have our own version of baboy ramo. It has a beard po. May balbas siya. So that one, she's a female and she's just alone po. She's just one there. So wala po siyang partner. Wala po siyang pangil. Male are the one who have class. Okay, then let's go here po.
Ano siyang ano? Ano to kasi?
Bear cat. Ay, we will wait for your group first po.
You must have a butterfly in your hair.
Ha? I got butterfly.
Specific leaves po ang kanilang ini. Yes po, hindi po yan sila mangingitlog kahit saan-saan. May specific. May host plant, may food plant. Some of the butterfly po, they lay eggs in the kamote vines.
Okay na. Yeah.
Opo, that's their alternative food supplement po. Banana ripe with sugar solution. Yun po ay para sa mga butterflies. Okay, are you complete now? Let's proceed here po. Para hindi po kayo maiwan sa tour, sir, ma'am. Paano po kayo? Ito po yung mga kaka-transfer pa lang na view pa. So, dinidikit po yan sila using small amount of rabbits po. We are the one who transfer them on the stick po and then nilalagay namin sila doon. Yeah.
Hindi ba makaka-improve?
Hindi po. Okay. Lahat po yan bago pa lang.
Yung iba, paano ba ito?
Different types of pupa, different color, different species po ng butterflies. Okay, so here naman po we have the Malay giant, scorpion, or alakdan. So those scorpion po are mildly venomous. Sir, ma'am, they have venom po, but it's mild. So yes po, they do sting, but when they get hurt lang, as long as po na you don't hurt them, they won't hurt you. So we put touch me gently there po because you can hold them. But sadly for now, they're eating po cockroaches. That's why we are not allowing kasi they will attack po if you hold them. So for now po, hindi kami nag-a-allow. Kumakain po kasi sila. So those scorpion are one of the living proof that Palawan is once connected to Borneo, Malaysia before by a land bridge. Basically, ma'am, sir, you can find that species in Borneo, Malaysia. So they are mildly venomous. Basically, when you got stung by that one, you won't die. Like you got stung by a bees po. Ganun siya. It's painful, but their venom is less, or you won't die. It depends on how your body react po. If you have allergy, it will react. But if you don't have allergy po, it will get swollen or you can get fever. It depends po. Kasi yung iba, walang reaction yung body nila. Like they got stung, it's painful, but no, wala silang reaction. Wala bad reaction. Hindi na makain po. Ito po.
You can't right now.
No po, sorry, hindi po kami muna nag-aalaw.
Last time I touched one, I was stung, so I'm good.
Buway dilawan. Opo! No po, email babies po, baby cockroach po yung pinapakain namin. But sa wild po, yung mga adult cockroach pinakain. Wala po yan silang ano kasi ang pagkain nila iipis po talaga. Excited. Okay, so here naman po, we have the giant millipedes po. So, millipedes means thousands of legs. But, kasi po their legs, it depends on how long they are, kung gaano po sila kahaba. Sir, ma'am, their poops po can serve as fertilizer. Again, their poops or dropping can serve as fertilizer, pang-fertilizer po sa halaman. But, sir, ma'am, when they get hurt po, when the millipedes get hurt or feel threatened, they will release a smelly fluid po. Aside from that, nagka-curl po sila like this. And they will release a smelly fluid. That smelly fluid po, toxin siya. It's a toxin. So, hindi po sila nagbabite. They don't bite. They just release toxin po. And that toxin is dangerous. It can burn the skin of a human. And if the toxin accidentally goes to your eye, you can feel an eye irritation po. That eye irritation, it can lead to temporary blindness. So here po, we feed them cucumber. This is their alternative food supplement. But back in the wild po, they eat dried leaves and woods. So if you see them in your area po, don't kill them po kasi they help our soil to get more nutrients. Like trapping. Sorry po.
Oh, so jumpy.
So if you want to see more of them po, you need to dig first here. Kasi po, they are under the soil. Yes po, like earthworms po, they enrich the soil.
We have many giant scorpion healing evidence.
Okay, then in there po, if you want to see the baby scorpion, you can proceed here. So sir, ma'am, yes po, we have the adult there, we have the baby here. So we do separate them po.
Bakit po?
Kasi the adult will going to eat the babies if we don't separate them. So we need to separate them po. So here po in the garden, we culture them. That's why we separate them. Babies are more aggressive than the adult, but they are the same venom.
Patay na siya?
No po. Hindi po. This one, it's African scorpion. Even as we are wondering why we have African scorpion here in Palawan, the African scorpion is endemic in Africa. But African scorpion are more venomous than the Malay giant scorpion. This one, it's the same species po, Malay giant scorpion, but baby ones po. So the baby scorpion called scorpion. Look at this one po, it's aggressive. May pagkain po kasi siya, that's why we are not touching it. Okay, and there po. Kuya, ito po, this one is privacy party. And there naman po, try to spot insects there po. At that's try to spot the insects.
Basta insect.
So they are totally harmless. Wala po yun dyan, ma'am, Effie. Wala po naman. So they are totally harmless, ma'am, sir. Basically po, he can hold them. Their defense mechanism po, they play dead. At the same time po, they are a good indicator of a healthy environment. That means po na if you see them in your area, it's not polluted, it's healthy. So she's a female, this one it's a male. You can identify it by looking at their size.
Mas malaking female.
You're told po?
Ay, pa rin.
Opo. Tribal update po, tribal update. Waiting na po yung agency ko ata. Opo, wala po talaga siya.
Kasi parang matigas na pag sa
Okay then, sir, ma'am. For my group po earlier, let's go now to the tribal village po, the second part of the tour. Let's go here po sa next. Yan po yung sign na
Those little baby scorpions were what, about the size of the one that hit me. Yeah.
Sana may payment yung 200 lang na.
Ayaw, na.
Ala, yung...
Nako, hindi na nag-enjoy. Ay, kita ko dali.
Okay, so on the other side of the road po, may signage.
Your favorite ano eh.
Ayan, crocodile.
Maliit lang.
Ayan. Sa saltwater crocodile.
Saltwater crocodile. Ay,
Crocodylus porosus.
yan lang. Galing crocodile.
Because in Philippines we have two crocodiles. Crocodylus porosus, that is the saltwater crocodile. The other one is the Crocodylus mendorensis, that is the freshwater crocodile. But in terms of size, the saltwater is larger than freshwater crocodile. And their lifespan is more longer, the saltwater crocodile, than the
Mas lalaki pa to?
Opo, bata pa yun.
Bata pa.
That's cool. Maabot pa yun sila ng 30 feet.
It's a crocodile, but it's not too big.
Each.
Amore! Ayan ah,
Go po.
another
Upstairs.
crocodile. What's in here? Tribal village. Kumamela. This is Kumamela.
Oh.
How about that? Beautiful.
Yes, pasok po tayo dun sa loob. Upo kayo mama.
Have a seat po, dito po tayo na. Sir, have a seat po. Dito po sa kayo rin namin, malapit po naman kung magpapagay na pictures and videos.
Doon tayo muna ma'am. Group tayo. Here, 6 po ha.
Electric fan here.
Nice fan right there.
Ma'am, sir, sa mga bagong dating po, hello. Good morning po. Let's proceed here po. Dito po muna tayo.
Cool.
Okay, so ayan po, good morning everybody and welcome to the second part of your tour, Tribal Village Mansory. And we will having po just 10 to 15 minutes cultural sharing with them. Ako po ang inyong magiging interpreter since them po has their own dialect, it called Palawan. So ma'am sir, in the mainland of Palawan, meron po tayong tatlong major tribes. So first here, meron po tayong Tagbanwa. Second, we also have Batak. And then the third one is them. They are the Palawan tribe. So ma'am sir, if you are familiar with the Tabunman or Caban, sila din po ang possible descendants nun. And since 1976, this village just became their temporary home or shelter. It's away from the mountain. Ma'am sir, some of them po stay here for a couple of days, weeks, or month. And after that, they go back to the mountain again. From the mountain, another set of family ang bumababa dito. And nagdadala po sila ng mga products nila, especially po sa baba. So while nag-aantay, nagsishare po sila ng kanilang rich cultures and traditions. So this is a livelihood program. Since we notice na ang tribe culture are slowly disappearing because of what we call life modernization. But at least here, through this livelihood program po, we are able to continue to encourage them na mag-continue i-practice ang kanilang rich cultures and tradition. Pabili mo naman magtingin. Okay, ma'am sir, may papakita ho siya. Please hold that one po and pass to the others. So that one is called bagtik. Bagtik po is came from the sap. Dagtaho siya ng almasiga tree. At first yan po is sticky liquid and kalaunan ganyan na ho siya katigas. Ma'am sir, nasa city rin po ang bagtik. That is the main ingredients po kasi in making our nail polish, mga varnish, fiberglass, pintura, and another related product. So nakikinabang po tayo sa mga products nila. Pabili mo naman bakit. Okay, so this one is their bucket, ma'am sir. A bucket po is a native backpack of Palawan tribe and they use this one naman to carry the heavy product. Tulad po ng bagtik na hawak ninyo. So ito pong bucket, gawa ko siya sa ratan. Doon po can carry, it's 30 up to 50 kilos ng bagtik. Akyat baba po yan siya ng bundok. So, kamusta? When it's mabugat or heavy, no worries, ma'am sir. Aside from the shoulder strap, meron po silang head support to carry even more weight. Yung nasa dingding po, that's the real bucket with the bagtik that they bring down in the mountain. So yan po ay nasa range ng 50 kilos. Ganun po siya kabigat. And sila po ay mga music lover din. That's why they have their own musical instrument. Okay, so the first instrument, meron silang gimbal. Gimbal po is made of the hollow wood which they carve. Inukit po siya. And on top, they just cover with an animal skin. It's a cow skin, ma'am sir. Balat po siya ng baka. Magsukulimitan. And they also have the agong for this larger one. Two smaller one ang tawag ay sanang. Ma'am sir, they believe po that when they hear the echoes of that gong or agong in the mountain, ibig sabihin po nun, they are communicating sa spirits ng kanilang ancestors. So now they're going to play the three set, it called basal. Okay, so that is their basal. So as you can see in here, ma'am sir, they don't dance to entertain us. Tribal dances for a ritual, it's all sacred. So sagrado po yung sayaw sa kanila. Okay, so another musical instrument, they also have this kudyapi or kudlungan. Ma'am sir, before the arrival of our 6-strings guitar o yung mga modern na gitara, our Palawan tribe po has their own 2-strings guitar. So ngayon po, they're going to play the music. The particular music, ma'am sir, called boget, which means birdsong. Ating pagpasok. Okay, so that is their boget or the bird song. So mostly, ma'am sir, their music po is more on nature. And another musical instrument, they also have aruling. Palimbas atin aruling mo muna. Okay, so this one is their aruding. Aruding is made of the wild palm tree, and on top they just put beeswax to adjust the sounds. By the use of their mouth po, they can create an amazing sound. So everybody po, let's hear the sounds of aruding. Okay, so that is their aruding. Amazing. Mas maganda po kapag mas marami sila and sabay-sabay din. And ma'am sir, traditionally, Palawan tribe, sila po ay mga hunter and gatherers din. So they hunt animals as a part of their diet. And meron silang dalawang spear na ginagamit. They also have this ligid at ito pong surayang. This surayang, ma'am sir, they use this one for trapping the target, while the use of the ligid, they use that one for follow-up kill. And ma'am sir, back in the mountain po, Palawan tribe, whenever they hunt the bird and squirrel, they also use something to call or imitate the target. They call it tapios. Pagkali mo daw ang tapios naman. Ang tapios po, gawa ko siya sa young bamboo na inog. Okay, so that is their tapio. So you hear the sounds of bird and squirrel. So ngayon po, if the target was visible, that's the time naman na i-prepare ng kanilang blow dart o yung blow gun. Ma'am sir, our Palawan tribe, hindi po sila gumagamit ng bow and arrow. They don't use bow and arrow. So everybody, let's watch them. Look into the target, the drawing board. Okay, so that's how po they hunt the big animals back in the mountain. Ma'am sir, yes po, they hunt, that's how they hunt po the big animals back in the mountain. Of course here, we discourage them to hunt. As you can see, napaka-limited ho ng ating environment. And according to them, they can hit farther than that, it's 30 meters away by blowing po yun. And back in the mountain, whenever they hunt, ma'am sir, be careful po kasi naglalagay sila ng poison sa tip ng mga dart nila. And guess what, ma'am sir, this plant, this is the main ingredient sa paggawa ng lason. They call that one dita. They just collect the sap o yung nagtabo nito and mix it with the other plant. On the prey, ma'am sir, that's the real dirt naman na may poison. And the one that they used earlier, ayan, wala po siyang lason. Okay? And if you guys wondering if how they eat the meat with the poison, they just wash it po with the running water many times hanggang sa safe na po nila makain yung meat. Okay, so ngayon po, last part na po tayo. So, Maman will show us on how they create fire sa mountain just using the three materials. So, ang una pong material, meron silang flintstone or buhay na bato. They also have a native cotton nila. They call this one lub-lub. And they also have a piece of metals or balang. Just three materials. Ma'am sir, yung process po sa paggawa ng apoy, they called it santikan. Santikan po means friction. So you see a lot of spark earlier, ma'am sir. Yung purpose ng cotton para mag-catch ng spark. And when the smoke is visible, you just put po sa my dry leaves and just blow it harder until the fuel come out. So yan po yung fastest way nila on how they create po fire, especially sa mountain. As you all know, before po sa mountain, walang lighter or phosphorus. So yan na po yung ginagamit nila until now. So as you can see, ma'am sir, we have a bigger smoke. And in a few seconds po, we have a fire, ma'am. Okay, so now po we have a fire. Okay, so as we all know rin, ma'am sir, back in the mountain, no access po of electricity. Kaya meron po silang sariling ilaw or they have their own torch po. Ang tawag siyaan ay sahing or salong. One pot of that, ma'am sir, can last po siya ng 3 to 5 nights, depende po sa paggamit nila. So they believe po that the smoke of this can drive po siya ng mga bad spirits, bad lucks, and also can cure din po siya ng stomach ache and then the headache. So ngayon po, ikot po kami ng kamots and everybody try to smell the smoke po. So start po kami sa likod. Ang laman po nito is nagtaho siya ng wild chili tree na binalot po sa dahon. So ito pong dahon na to is dahon po siya ng coconut. Pero they still prefer po yung dahon na yan, ang tawag na yung mamaan. So we will go around. So try to smell. Yes, ma'am sir. Kung kayo po ay familiar sa incense or incense, yun po yung amoy niya sa natural incense or incense. And ma'am, sir, definitely po na usok ito. It can drive the bad spirits, bad lucks, and also can cure po siya ng mga stomach ache and then the headache. So hindi lang po siya basta-basta ilaw. Ito po ay gamot din sa mga sakit. And sa mga lamok din po, nakaka-drive po siya sa mga lamok natin. Okay, so that's all po for our cultural sharing, ma'am, sir. Kapag may katanungan po, there at the back, we have a lot of information kung paano po nagsimula ang lahat. Back in the garden po, if you're a coffee lover, meron po tayong Civet Coffee, the best coffee in town. Pwede kayong mag-try and purchase, ma'am, sir. And our photographer, don't hesitate po to ask them. They can speak Tagalog po, especially yung photographer natin, kasi sila po ay nakapag-aral na po yan. Okay, so ilan po kayo sa grupo niyo, ma'am? Mag-isa ka na po? Sa snake na po, proceed, ma'am. Sa snake po. Kayo po, ilan kayo sa grupo niyo, ma'am? Pero lahat, sa Siyam na po yun is family lahat. Okay po. Kung sino po tayo iba dito, iba naman po dito. Ma'am, kayo po ay sa snake po kayo. Meron pa. Sa purple snake kayo. Ma'am, sir, kukuha po sila ng free shots yung mga photographer natin. And then yung copy naman po is optional. Sa snake po tayo.
Give this back.
Yung sila po yung snake po. Yes, sir. Sila po. Thank you, sir. Yung snake po nila sa non-venomous one. Pwede po yung lagay sa hawakan po.
Huh? What? Oh, look at the snake.
Oh my God. No. Wow.
Ay, hindi ako hawakan. Hindi ako.
No.
You gonna go up ahead of the snake?
No. I'm gonna die.
You're gonna go up and get a picture too.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick some.
With you. In the middle.
I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna die. Ako, mamatay ako. Ano niya?
Ilan po kayo sa group niyo?
Dalawa. Siya, tapos na ako. Ito naman yung ulo eh. Gusto mo ako picture, hindi tayo nagawa. Ay, kami. Picture mo na.
Try naman po. Ilan po kayo, ma'am?
May ano.
Okay, next po. Dalawa lang kayo, ma'am. Bulak sa mas dala.
In the head. You touch it. I'm gonna touch it. Thank you.
You wanna try it, ma'am? Ha? Kaya po bumalik. Okay, kayo po. Dalawa kayo. Ilan po kayo, ma'am?
Hinawakan ko.
Ilan kayo, ma'am?
Thumbs up.
Sige po.
Alab-alab.
Gusto niya lang din. 1, 2,
Kailan kayo ma?
Dalawa.
Dalawa din po.
Hindi, tayong dalawa.
I'm gonna take picture.
Next, ma'am.
If you want.
Next, may pawakan niyo, ma'am.
Oh, give me your phone when you're both of us.
Okay, tingin po. Thumbs up po. Alab-alab.
1 more, 1, 2, 3.
Ayan na lang tayo, Bir. Di ka rin kalo, sir.
Ano na kayo, ma'am?
Tingin po dito.
Ako muna dito.
So, one more. Okay.
Dito naman po. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Thumbs up.
I don't know how to do that one.
Ayun na agad.
Awesome, thank you.
Finish na kayo ma'am sa may snake? Sino pang...
Subscribe po, baka gusto nyo mag...
Sige ma'am, pala po kayo ma'am. Go picture pala pa.
Marami rin, ito mo rin.
Okay ma'am.
Pinag-push yung camera. Binabanan na. Pretend that you're touching it naman.
No, we're good.
Ito. Yan. Hindi ka na-aswit na.
Hindi siya banana.
Thumbs up po.
Ingat. Kami ka.
Okay, tara. Let's go.
Okay. What?
Ano tayo?
What? Yeah, give me a split of that. Yeah.
Let's go
Good,
po.
thank you.
So, tatawid po kayo dun sa may kalsada po. Sa other side of the road po, may signage. Go for the signage po and go to the class. May crocodile din po kami dyan.
Talon pa naman yan ma'am.
Hey!
Talon yun.
Don't touch the crocodile. Paniwalain pa namin ako.
Hindi ma'am, totoo yun ma'am. Ano siya? Ang crocodile talaga ma'am, tumatalon talaga yan siya. Tumalon.
Yan, follow nyo na po sa atin na nakaano. Dito po. Blond yung hair. Ayun, yung bagong
Oh,
photo.
just taking a picture.
What's that?
Okay, ma'am.
Just taking a picture
So,
there.
tawid po ng kalsada lang sa
Take picture
signage
siya.
po kalsada.
Right here.
Picture ka?
You want one too right there? Just you?
You, photo pass.
Both of us? Okay.
Okay, sir, ma'am, for the group po, tawid kayo ng kalsada sa signage. Papasok.
Yung tayong direction natin. Pa-picture kayo ma'am. Dalawa kayo na sir.
You said
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Ayan, nasa lupit mo. Ang pinakalas po na aakyat ay...
One more. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Galipad lang yan ma'am, pero dito lang sila may net kasi.
Huh?
Ano pang papit kayo ma'am? Pa-picture kaya.
Maybe they'll land on your hand. Maybe they'll land on you.
Malis.